Hi guys, so after part 1, I just researched how to do it. So first I need to blow my nose because my nose is still... Oh, my nose is very bugged up at the moment. I'm actually sick as well. And it's like my neighbours have been cutting the grass. And I just done this pepper, so yeah. Excuse the... Okay, so that was quite comedic with my fringe. Okay. My makeup is still half done. But, alright, we're going to do this pepper challenge. I've been requested by like 4 people to do this. So, I know how to do it now. So, this is my pepper. Oh, I need more than that. Like... how it's in my throat. I don't know. I think I need more pepper because it's in my throat. It's not in my nose right now. I feel like I'm putting too much. I'm crying like. Oh my god. Ugh, I'm so sorry. Oh, okay, sorry about that. I got like a big tissue thing. I need to get some Kleenexes. Who's gonna get me some Kleenexes and wipe my nose for me? Because I'm so sick. Ugh. Who's gonna get me some Kleenexes and wipe my nose? I need someone to come and be my personal nose wiper because I'm sick. Like, I'm ill. Like, and this... Oh my god, my nose. Oh, my head. Have you like ever sneezed, yeah, and it just like smashes your head open? Like, that's what I just had right now. It was so powerful just now. Ugh. My eyes are like red. Ugh. Oh, my nose is like, my nose is red and I'm black. Like, how is that possible? I don't know. Okay, let me just blow my nose. The thing is black, like, with pepper. It's gross. I'm gonna try it one more time for you guys, but my head might explode. And my eye is burning as well. Okay. Black pepper powder. Wait, let me try something. Sorry, I'm not trying to have my head exploded right now, so... Okay, the last one. No, it's not gonna work. Oh, I'm dribbling. I feel really sick now. I don't know, my nose is burning. Okay. It really makes me cough. I don't know. Do you know, I don't have a coughing fetish at all, you know. I just have a sneezing fetish, that's it. I know some people have coughing fetishes. But I don't. My nose is burning. Right up my nose, as. Right up my nose. I know some of you are going to request for more of these, but I don't think I'm going to ever do another one of these again. Maybe if like 10 of you request for it, then I'll do it for you guys. Because you know I love you guys. These have been